See, I'm a super long one.
What's that? It's from Grandpa Keller.
Wow, what is that, huh?
Come here.
Whoa.
She's better shoes on.
No.
Cool, huh? Look at that.
Give me a blade.
He'll get it.
Yeah, we need to get better shoes on
I
him.
know.
I'm a super long one. What's all over his leg?
Looks like ice cream or something.
Isaac, what do you think of that?
Is that super cool?
Yeah, it's pretty neat. You got your own bike, don't you, huh?
You got a pedal.
You gotta push on the pedals. Cool.
Here he comes. Whoa. Wow.